Hey Andy, good to see you. As you know, that I'm on the mission to find something interesting, cool, some methodologies, solutions, especially now with AI. A lot of experts in our organization is coming up with different solutions. And, you created quite a simple app for yourself to present the output of reports from Google Ads in a bit more appealing, nicer way. Could you show us the app, how it works, and what's possible?
Yes, of course. So as I am a specialist in Google Ads and also a big fan of creatives and YouTube videos and asset ads, like banner ads. So that's why I wanted to create some kind of app which will analyze my performance from our video ads in YouTube, like also asset ads from all the campaigns, from Performance Max campaign, from the all account, from remarketing campaign, or from the prospecting campaign. So we can analyze all different types of campaigns here for Performance Max or demand gen. So let me just show some examples from my prepared file.
Just to stop for a second, this is over there. There's a structure of a CSV file, right?
Yes,
And
yes,
that's
CSV file.
is the default report structure from Google Ads.
Yes, just you can go into the asset tab on the left side and then to performance and just choose square, vertical, horizontal. Yep. Images and then download the whole report from the date which you want, or for the last 30 days, for the last 60 days. It doesn't matter, but it's just a usual report from the asset
Report.
in the Google Ads.
That makes sense.
Yeah. So here we've got something like a overview, which asset performs the best by name, which now it doesn't tell us so much from these names, but here we've got also some quick insights which asset has the best potential, or which are the underperformer with the high spend and without any conversions. But the best part for analysis is here. We do not see here, any thumbnail because we cannot show, of course, the ads from our clients. So that's why I just covered
Placeholders.
Yes, yeah, do not want to show this, but we can here analyze, sort by ROAS or, for instance, conversion value. So here we see that this asset spent, $3,329 and conversion value was $4,039. So we can check why this ad or why this asset spent so much money and what is, good in it, or maybe something to improve. And also we have here the actual ROAS. Here we've got 2.17 or even 10.51 for one ad. Of course, we've got here $325 spent, but the conversion value is really, really high. So we can see, maybe we can make more such ads, for our prospecting or remarketing campaigns and see how it will impact. Or we can, sort by spend and see, okay, this one spent 900 and no conversion value. Maybe it's not good for us to keep this banner or to keep this asset in our demand gen or performance max campaign. Yeah, so this is something like, in one place we can analyze all the our assets per campaigns, which is I think good for us.
It is convenient, and as I can see it, it is quite powerful to use that tool in a meeting. Basically, you just export specific period of time. You have all the assets in one place. You upload the report. Then during the meeting, you show it in that kind of in that kind of view. And you can go through all of the ads together with the client, sharing screen ads. I think that's a It's way better
Like,
than opening a quite complex Google Ads
exactly, yes.
dashboard. And you know, a lot of tools out there try to do it, and these tools are paid, like, you know, tools like Motion, for example, for Meta Ads. But for Google Ads, I think that it's good enough. It's free, as and I assume that this app doesn't use, you know, it doesn't collect any data. You don't collect the files inside of it. The users can clone it. They can install it on themselves in their local environment, or they can publish it somewhere in Netlify, Cloudflare, or Vercel, and they can run it for you know, they can do it for their own team or their own in their own workflow. I can imagine that, you know, that's a tool that you want to publish and give it out to the world so that other
Yes,
people
for sure.
could
It's
improve their
yes,
workflow.
yes, for sure. It's the problem.
And if users would like to use your version, you don't store any data or you don't collect any data, right?
All
So
right.
it's
We do not collect anything here.
yeah, I think that is pretty useful tool.
Yeah, but it's good what you mentioned about those clients, because I forget about this. Very often our clients just asks us which, you know, banner, which assets or which creative perform the best from our campaigns. So that's why we can, okay, just show this during the call. Okay, we can go with this type of assets, with this type of banners, and just with this type of message for your clients. And yes, this is something we often got this question, but, you know, showing this in a Google Ads report was not always so convenient, or just, you know, can,
What are the
yeah,
other
it was a,
options, right? People copy ads into Notion and show, oh, this creative is pretty good. In the past, people used to copy not the ad creatives to Google Slides or to PowerPoint to show which ads worked the best, because they didn't want to like have that really awful experience of like showing screenshots from Google Ads or Meta Ads, or you know, or basically showing the screen during the call, because it's unprofessional. You want to have this information structured. Then you also want to have like some kind of influence on like how you want to navigate and what you want to show, because you don't want to like show the whole thing, overwhelm audience with too much information. To be honest, this is already a little bit overwhelming, but if you like manage it and you know what exactly to show, I think it all makes sense. One thing that comes to my mind when I look at this mini app is can you filter out specific, let's say, types of campaign based on naming convention, maybe, of campaigns and ad groups? Did you think about such a solution? Because, you know, we see the results for the whole file, from all of the ad groups, from all of the campaigns. Maybe, you know, during the session with the client, you would like to filter out only PMax campaigns, or only prospecting campaigns, or only retargeting, or only brand, so that you could see a little bit different results when it comes to banners, display, videos, and so on.
The problem here is with Google Ads report, because when I, you know, download the whole account from the Google Ads report, I can see only, you know, used by 7 ads, or this is in
Oh,
PMax, but we have, you know, 2 types of PMax, for instance, 2 types of performance max campaign. And in the final report, when I, you know, download the whole account, then I can see in how many ads this banner is active. But if I would like to show to our clients the prospecting campaigns, which are only for new clients, then I download only from the prospecting
okay,
campaigns in
that
Google
makes
Ads.
sense. So basically, you have like 3 files ready before the meeting.
Yeah,
So let's
of
open up
course.
the retargeting and you upload the
Yeah,
file. And then let's open up
that's right.
prospecting, you upload the file. And this
Yes.
is it. It's as simple as that. It makes sense, to
Yeah.
be honest. It makes sense. It's
Yes.
better. It doesn't make sense to overcomplicate the solution.
Mm-hmm.
It's quite straightforward. The task for this mini app is to just to show the banners, show the videos, and to analyze a little bit, you know, which are the best, which are the worst, and that's it. And could you maybe also show the video gallery as well? Because you showed us the asset gallery, and does make
Okay. Yeah. This one is video gallery, and also we have similar. We just upload a new file. with video assets from the YouTube or demand gen campaigns here and see which video performs the best or what is the average watch time and how long is this video ad in this campaign. So we can see that also the platform ROAS, which is a new ROAS from Google Ads, and we can see also sort by conversion value. We see here that this is spent more than 3,000 and value is more than 9,000. Also can analyze which video with link here. Of course, this link is not working, but when you download your data from your Google Ads, then you can see why this video performed so well. And based on this, you can make a future creative, for instance, similar hook or other part of this video and get much more better results and much more sales thanks to this.
I get it. Another view that is really pleasant to see, and with direct links to YouTube, and you can actually even watch the video, I guess, even from that view, because these are embedded YouTube videos. Or if not, then you can click and go directly to a YouTube. Again, really useful for the meetings because you can show all the videos, and then with the user you can like revisit specific ad creative and discuss it during the meeting why you think that this creative worked better than the other ones, and try to have a conversation about what else could we do with the creatives to improve the overall results. Awesome. Thanks a lot. I mean, I like
Exactly.
that.
And what is great here, because before sometimes these quick insights were not so, be as good as I would like to have, because of sometimes, one video can spend, $1 or $2 and have, 50 ROAS. That's why I just improved this app and we can here make, I would like to have quick insights only for video ads, which spends minimum $100. So this is something like, okay,
Absolutely.
we've got here $289 spent, so maybe it's something like, it's good for us. Yes, so we can see this video and why this video performs so great.
Awesome. I mean, the threshold to cut out the ads with like a minimal spend absolutely makes sense. Okay,
Okay,
I think we've got it. So thanks a lot, and
thank you.
Andy.
Thank
That's
you.
an awesome app.
Bye
By the
bye,
way,
Rada.
will you make your GitHub public so that people could like copy and clone
No
the
problem.
repository?
No problem. I will make it public, so it's not a problem.
Awesome. Thanks, and
Thank you.
see you in the next one. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye.
See you. Bye bye.